Why does your scanner show the P0718 engine code? What does it mean? P0718 is a diagnostic trouble code for input or turbine speed sensor A circuit intermittent. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM or TCM is detecting erratic or unreliable voltage signals from the sensor responsible for monitoring the rotational speed of the transmission's input or turbine shaft. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty input turbine speed sensor, wiring and connector issues, PCM problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, Hyundai, Cadillac, Chevy, Toyota, GMC, Dodge, Ford, Lincoln, and Mercedes. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.